Smoke New York Steak, why not? Salamat, Well Meats!
Lumipad ang aming team. Hindi, joke lang. Nag-drive lang kami papuntang Batangas City dahil binigyan tayo ng Well Meats ng Black Angus strip loin steak. Maraming salamat, at since libre ito, isi-share natin sa other pitmasters ng Batangas City. We are going overly simple today with just salt and smoke. Smoke over mahogany wood until internal temperature of 110. I know this doesn't look good right now, but watch this. We rested the meat after smoking to drop until 100 degrees internal, and then we seared it. So we are searing the fat cap and searing it 1 minute each side.
Kainaman. Ano yung matawag sa inyo? Kainaman?
Kainaman na. Uy, hilaw pa ulit.
Ay! Smoky, juicy.
Salamat Well Meats at Pitmasters ng Batangas.
Huwag siyang waldaw.